Is it time to buy or sell CAVA Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into CAVA Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 29th of September, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since September 22, 2025, our system has ranked CAVA Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.47. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -10.33%. This results in an average daily loss of -1.72% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines may occur. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 35.23% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -46.09% to -31.21%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -46.89%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between -72.9% and -17.97% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range from $15.92 to $48.20. Our latest daily update for CAVA Group includes the headline, "A Very Red Day for CAVA Group, Incorporated, Stock Price After a Decline of 6.15% in the Monday Trading Session." The CAVA Group Incorporated stock price fell by 6.15% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 29th of September, 2025, dropping from $62.61 to $58.76. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.05%, with a day low at $58.53 and a day high of $63.24. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, and is down by 6.04% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 4 million shares, although this occurred amidst falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $457.37 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $172.43, while the lowest price was $58.53. Currently, the price is 65.92%, or $113.67, below the 52-week high of $172.43, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CAVA shares have traded in the low 60s this month, slipping modestly in late September, closing around $62.39 on the 17th. $63.42 on the 24th, and $62.61 on the 25th. Moves that outpaced broader market weakness. Offsetting that short-term softness, the chain is actively expanding. It opened its first downtown Detroit location on the 26th of September and is publicly targeting aggressive growth, aiming for roughly 1,000 restaurants by the year 2032 after reporting double-digit revenue gains. Management is also leaning on menu innovation, new chicken shawarma, seasonal pita chips, and a tiered rewards program to drive comparable sales and frequency. Analysts increasingly compare CAVA favorably to peers thanks to unit economics and disciplined rollout plans. In the short term, the stock may remain volatile as investors digest incremental openings and same-store sales cadence. Any missed comparable sales or slower unit profitability could pressure the price. Over the longer term, successful execution of expansion, loyalty, and menu initiatives would support revenue and margin expansion and justify a higher valuation. But execution risks and competition remain the key downsides. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned CAVA an overweight grade alongside a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated CAVA as equal weight with a hold action. Also on that date, Citigroup provided a neutral rating for CAVA with a hold recommendation. Additionally, Bank of America Securities rated CAVA as a buy while maintaining a hold action. Lastly, KeyBank also gave CAVA an overweight grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Cava Group stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Cava Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may impact the near short-term development of the stock. Cava Group Incorporated currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $63.09 and $66.73. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 11, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 36.17%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, 56 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 34 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Cava Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. Typically, this stock is traded at a healthy volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the overall risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $4.71, which represents an increase of 8.05% between its high and low. Looking back over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.94%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Cava Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Cava Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Cava Group is at $62.61. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Cava Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 18th of September, 2025, Xenohistos Theodoros conducted an insider sell of 16,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Xenohistos Theodoros also conducted an insider buy of 16,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of June, 2025, Bertram Kenneth Robert conducted an insider buy of 169 shares of common stock. On that same day, Summers Jennifer conducted an insider buy of 133 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Phillips Adam David conducted an insider buy of 146 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 69.937. Overall, insiders purchased 449,127 shares and sold 2,855,216 shares in the last 100 trades. This stock has received a negative evaluation, and there is no stop loss currently established. Is CAVA Group stock a good buy? CAVA Group Inc. currently exhibits several negative signals and is trending downwards within a wide range. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 30th of September, we expect CAVA Group to open higher by $1.42, starting at a price of $60.18. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. We invite you to share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us at StockInvest.